At ang ating tail of the tape para sa ating susunod na featured bout. Ito na yung main supporting bout para dito sa laban ni Brian Diloria at saka ni Giovanni Segura. This is for the IBF Interim Super Featherweight Championship. Pasay Sakirin at saka si Martin Honorio. Thailand kontra Mexico. Ito po kanina si Giovanni Segura. Atin pong highlights of his earlier arrival.
Well, Chino, this promises to be a very exciting fight. Si Honorio, mga kaibigan, he's got a spoiler's reputation. Marami na siyang nakalaban na mga undefeated. And he was the first one to stain their records. Unang-una, sabihin natin, yung dating WBO featherweight champion is Steven Luevano. Here's Ted Lerner, ang ating ring announcer.
Pasig City, Metro Manila, in the beautiful Philippine Islands. Zenfer Promotions proudly presents Island Assault 3 Champion versus Champion. Also presented by Saved by the Bell Promotions, GMA Network, Petron, fuel for everyone from everyone's Petron, Poison, the #1 paint, Midas Hotel, the official residence, and Jaguar, Land Rover, and Range Rover at Fort Bonifacio City. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we have a special attraction for you. This next contest is scheduled for 12 rounds. It's an IBF Eliminator. The winner of this bout will be ranked #1 in the junior lightweight division of the International Boxing Federation. This bout is sanctioned by the IBF, supervisor in charge at ringside, Mr. Ray Wheatley, President Darryl Peoples, judges from Indonesia, Mohammed Rois, from the Philippines, Den Rex Tapdasan, and also from the Philippines, Ray Denseco. And when the bell rings, your third man in the ring, referee Ferdinand Estrella. Okay, let's meet the boxers now. First of all, fighting out of the blue corner to my right tonight, wearing red and white. He weighed in at 130 pounds. Fight record, 31 wins, 6 losses, 1 draw, 16 wins by knockout. He comes to you from Mexico City, Mexico. Let's give a warm Philippine welcome for Martin Honorio. His opponent fighting out of the red corner to my left tonight, wearing the black with gold. He also weighed in at 130 pounds. Fight record, 36 wins, 2 losses, 20 wins by knockout. He comes to you from Chiang Mai, Thailand. Let's welcome to Manila, Pasay Sakirin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 12 rounds, IBF Junior Lightweight Eliminator. Here is your referee, Ferdinand Estrella, with the instructions.
I have given you your instructions in your dressing room. I want a clean fight. Let's get it on.
Okay mga kaibigan, ito na po si Honorio versus Sakirin, si Pasay of Thailand. This is Mexico versus Thailand. And this is an eliminator for the IBF Super Featherweight Championship. Honorio, he's the long, lanky, long-limbed fighter. At sabi nga kanina, Chino, no? He's got a spoiler's reputation. Yung mga nakalaban niya, na undefeated, na tinalo niya, including Steven Luevano, na dating WBO featherweight champion. Si John Molina, who was undefeated when Honorio beat him. At ganun din si Wilton Ilario. So he's got a spoiler's reputation and he certainly knows how to pack those wins.
Sa ganda ng range kinito, kitang-kita ba he got tagged by Sakirin.
Ito malaking challenge kay Sakirin. No? He's got to be able to go inside that long reach ni Honorio. Honorio needs to be able to pump that jab and keep the shorter Thailander away.
Grabe yung brawling style nitong si Sakirin Ginito. Hindi niya nirerespeto yung tangkad ni Honorio. Martin Honorio. Hindi po honoraria, honorarium yun eh. Ako, bibigyan mo ko ng honorarium, Mr. Henson.
Yun ang hinihintay ko eh. Wala pa nga ako natatanggap eh.
Ikaw talaga, Pasko na. Tayo pa tayong dalawa eh. Alam ko ba, counter-puncher ka ba? Akala ko pa brawler ka nung araw.
Well, talking about brawling and counter-punching, ito po si Fasay Sakirin, he needs to crowd Honorio. He needs to push him to the ropes. He needs to push him into the corners. At he needs to work the body. Yun ang importante. Yun ang within reach niya, yung kanyang body. Honorio making good use of the ring. You see him circling Fasay.
Okay, naman ni Honorio. Ang ganda ng counter, nitong si Honorio.
Well, definitely matatamaan niya yan because of that long reach. And he's fighting a much shorter opponent. Very clearly, Honorio must not allow si Fasay to get inside. Alam mo, kung nasa labas lang si Fasay, hindi makakatama ito eh. The Thailander is just going to be hitting air kung nandun siya sa labas.
Ito yung classic na mahaba pero would know how to use yung range niya. Pag malayo, syempre gagamitin niya yung haba pero pag malapitan Ginito, ang ganda rin ng sukat niya sa kanyang kalaban and he uses the ring. Using his footwork against a brawling style of Sakirin.
Well, sa 6 na talo ni Honorio, 2 of them came by knockout. One of them, a first-round knockout loss to Robert the Ghost Guerrero, and the other one, a 4th-round knockout to William Mabeylan.
Gandang control ni Honorio. I would give that round to the Mexican. Dito po sa ating featured supporting bout, Fasay Sakirin kontra kay Martin Honorio. This is for the ito interim super featherweight. Ano ba yung pag-interim, ang pinaglalabanan mo rito is yung pole position o yung number 1
Yes, exactly.
Ano?
Siya yung magiging next mandatory challenger. Pero mga kaibigan, nakita natin sa first round, walang masyadong aksyon. Hindi masyadong nagkatamaan yung dalawang boksingero. But very clearly, the aggressor, the one who was dictating the pace, because of his long reach, was Honorio's. Makikita natin si Brian Viloria getting his hands wrapped now by his trainer, si Mario Morales. Yung kanyang chief second na si Ruben Gomez nasa likod niya. And very determined look on the face of Brian Viloria. Second round coming up, mga kaibigan. In the first round, hindi sila masyado nagkatamaan. And Honorio doing a good job of keeping Fasay at bay. Fasay looking to close the gap between the two fighters.
Ganun talaga yung style. Kita mo, open na open pa Ginito nung pumasok. No? Delikado kasi pag natag siya nitong si Honorio na coming in, bukang-buka yung mukha niya.
Parang suspect ang power dito ni Honorio, no? He's got 60 knockouts in 31 wins, but he hasn't done anything to really hurt ang kanyang kalaban ni si Fasay.
Naku,
Si Fasay ang pumapasok dito. Siyang mas agresibo. Pasok ng pasok si Fasay, mga kaibigan. Honorio naman moving around the ring. Honorio, huwag siya magkamali dito. He's up against a fighter who knows how to punch. And Fasay might have rocked Honorio.
Yung style, sasagasaan talaga eh.
Oo.
Yun yung pinoint out mo kanina, na kapag ang boxer hindi nirespeto ang power ng kanyang kalaban, sasagasaan talaga niya. Ipakita mo sa akin na pwede ka tumayo dyan sa harap ko at i-fend off mo yung attacks ko. And this is what ito pong Thailander is doing. Si Fasay Sakirin, he's the shorter but kita-kita nyo, yung build niya talagang built like a tank. Ang lapad.
At may game plan si Fasay. Ito, hindi nakatama dun si Honorio. Ang plano dito ni Fasay is just to keep his face close to the chest ni Honorio And once that happens, paano makakasuntok si Honorio? Hindi siya makakasuntok eh. Because he's got those long arms and he needs space, he needs distance para makapagbitaw.
Dito mo makikita yung classic na problema. Hindi porkit matangkad ka, mahaba ka sa boxing, eh advantage na yon. Kailangan alam mo gamitin yung haba na yon.
Nice right hand coming from Honorio, however. Pero parang slow motion, ha? Walang quickness si Honorio. Telegraph his punches, very slow motion, slow-handed si Martin Honorio. And if you're Fasay, you would need to take advantage of that. Gamitin mo ng bilis.
Ako, itong round na to, going the way of the Thailander, no? At least up to this point, inside of 10 seconds.
Well, very clearly, kanina nakatama siya ng ilang mga suntok that hit the mark, and Honorio really has done very little sa round na yon. Yan po si Giovanni Segura being taped up now. Hindi po si Javier Capetillo ang nagbabandage sa kanya. Si Arturo Mota, ang father ng kanyang manager na si Ricardo Mota. And very attentive, very focused si Giovanni Segura.
Yung mukha, no? Yung mukha na alam mo papasok siya sa isang napakatinding gera. Alam nyo kasi kung bakit pinapakita natin ito, naging issue dito na yung si Javier Capetillo kasi meron siyang reputation of being the guy who was caught illegally tapping the hands of Antonio Margarito before that bout against Shane Mosley na ikinatalo. Actually, hindi nga malaman kung gaano katagal nang ginagamit yung pagbabala, yung sinasabi na illegal hand rubbings dahil